Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, here is a new order of Bose Glam Boutique. So let's see what she got and also dispatch her new order some cute products. So let's start. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and also like our videos, okay? Glass cups, custom cups, beauty blender box, powder puffs, budget binder, pinky eyeshadow palette, highlighter palette, pink brushes, cosmetics bags, card holder, lashes, pens, lip balm, lip oil, lipsticks. Let's pack. Thanks for watching. Do not subscribe our YouTube channel and like our video. Thank you so much.